How's it going, guys? It's Comuter the How To Get 123 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Fifine K052 USB microphone. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it. The box is kind of big, so I hope I can get everything in frame. So here we go. What we got here, we have an instruction manual and just some values, and oh, it's kind of long. But yeah, I just got some how to use the mic, just some values and information about the mic, like technical specifications. Alright, cool. Let's move on. We got some warranty information. Yep, got some warranty information there. Or it's not even warranty information, it's just stuff about the Fifine company. Alright, let's get the styrofoam out. Throw the box over there. Actually, was there more in the box? No. Okay, so now we have some styrofoam. Throw that aside. And there is the microphone itself. Let's take that out of the box. It's kind of heavy. Well, heavier than I thought it was going to be. Nah, I mean, that's about right. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, we can throw that to the side. Let's hope I can get the full microphone in frame. It's very tall, you can see here. I think this can be extended. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure this is about a foot. So let's see if I can get the full thing in frame. Don't think it's gonna happen unless I do it like that. Yeah, okay, that's the only way I'm gonna get the full mic in frame. So right here, it's a gooseneck microphone. This is, like I mentioned, I think a foot. I'm not sure if it can be adjusted to go taller. I don't think it can. You got a USB cable here, which I believe is 2 meters in length. By the way, the microphone was $35, and in this video we'll do a microphone test. I also want to compare this with the microphone I'm using now, which is the Blue Snowball Ice, which is a $50 microphone, and we'll see this. So the Blue Snowball is it's a $50 microphone, so it's a step up, and we'll see if the $35 microphone will like compete against the next best thing, a $50 microphone. Let's take a look more. Got a windscreen there. Alright, so continuing on, we have the bass here. You have a mute button and a LED indicator indicating whether your mic, I'm assuming, is muted or not. You have a volume control knob here. Overall, the build quality is pretty good. I would say it's what you expect for a $35 mic. It's not too bad. It feels pretty sturdy. The neck feels very sturdy. The top here can be adjusted to go towards the position you're talking in. Also, the bottom here can be adjusted. But the actual neck here can't really be adjusted. Just the top bit here and the bottom bit. Not too bad. I think that's pretty much all there is to the mic. I think it's about time we go ahead and give it a test. Alright, so this is a mic test for the Fifine K052 microphone. So it's a plug-and-play microphone, so you don't have to install any drivers. Once you plug in the USB cable into your computer, the mic should just work out of the box. Like I mentioned before, the USB cable is 2 meters, so I had plenty of room to plug it all the way into my computer. So let's see how this sounds. Actually, let's go ahead and try the mute button out. So if I press this, yep, it worked in OBS. The mic turned off. It wasn't picking up my voice. Now let's go ahead and test the volume knob here. See if the volume changes depending on how I'm talking. So yeah, it works when I turned it all the way to the left here. It didn't pick up any sound. So the volume knob is working. So let's actually go ahead and play this back and see how it actually sounds. Alright, so I just did a listen of the microphone, and it sounds pretty good, pretty crisp, pretty clean. I would say this is what I would say a $30 microphone should sound like. I don't think it compares to my $50 microphone. We'll give this a listen in a second. But I would say it's pretty good, and it should work for whatever you need your microphone to do. This will work great for voiceovers, Skype, Discord, or whatever. This microphone will pretty much suit your needs. One thing I did notice is that the microphone is a little bit louder, so I would actually turn the knob down a little bit if you're going to be using this. If you're going to be using this for like voiceovers or videos, you can always turn that down in post-production. But it's a little bit loud, but I would say that's better than being too quiet, because you can always turn the mic down, but you can't turn it up if you understand what I'm saying. But anyways, one more test I want to do is I want to give this a I want to edit the audio a little bit in Audacity just to see if I can make the mic sound a little bit better in post-production, just as a little bit of a test. So let's go ahead and test that out. Alright, so I just hopped into a program here called Audacity. It's a free audio editing program, audio editor and recording software. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested. And I just went ahead and edited the audio. I have a video where I show you guys how to edit the audio, and I'll leave a link for that in the description as well if you guys are interested. But here is the audio before it's edited, and here's the audio after it's edited. This is an audio test for the Fifine K052 microphone. This is an audio test for the Fifine K052 microphone. So I would say even before editing, it still sounds pretty good, but what I did here is I just went ahead, removed any background noise. There's just a little bit of static in the background. It's not too immense, but I just went ahead and removed any static, any background noise, and I just increased the bass of the microphone. And I would say it sounds better. If you want to use this for voiceover, you can always go ahead and edit the microphone, and it will sound even better than it already does. One more thing I want to show you guys is when you're using the microphone, this is where you would select your microphone, and it's right here. It's USB plug-and-play audio device. So it's a plug-and-play, and it should just work fine without installing any drivers, like I mentioned before. So now let's go ahead and do an audio test comparing this to my Blue Snowball. Alright, so here's how the K052 compares to my Blue Snowball. I have both mics set about 8 inches away from my mouth. And so this is an audio test for the Fifine K052 microphone. This is a test for the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. So I would say this Blue Snowball is the one over here. It's more crisp, more clean, but it's a lot quieter. You can see that the Fifine is a lot louder. But if you want to spend the extra money, maybe the Blue Snowball is a good idea. But overall, I don't really think it's necessary. I think the $35 mic will work just fine for most people. So in conclusion, I would totally recommend the Fifine K052 microphone. It will pretty much work for most people. It will work whether you're going to be doing voiceovers, video commentaries. It will work for Skype, in-game chat. It pretty much will do anything you need the mic to do. It sounds fine. It sounds crisp, clean, and yeah. And I don't really think, if you're looking to get either this microphone or the Blue Snowball, I would say, you know, if you don't want to spend the extra money, the $35 microphone will suit you just fine. And by the way, I'll leave a link to where I got this microphone on Amazon in the description below if you want to go out and buy it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.